Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 13, and today I will show you how we can insert a SIM card into this device. So to get started, you'll need to grab one of these things, which is a SIM ejector that comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, extend one at the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then take off the case of your phone if you have one on, and the tray will be located at the bottom of the device, right over here. There we go. So grabbing the tool, you want to push it in, and then pull out the tray. Now on the tray you will have space for two SIM cards, one on each side. Just grab your card, clip it in place, make sure that it's fully in there. It should not be protruding whatsoever from the tray, and then insert it back into your device. Now when you do, it should start working right away. Oh, there we go. Now, because this is HUAWEI and they still haven't changed the most idiotic effing thing that they have ever implemented, the moment you insert your SIM card, it will change the language of your system for phone to the language of the origin of the SIM card, which in this case is Polish. Because, you know, why the fuck would you have a setup screen when inserting a SIM card can just completely disregard it and change it? Great design. So for the people that surprisingly in HUAWEI's idea don't go ever outside of the fucking country to live anywhere, I'm gonna help you solve this, because right now your device might be in a language that, crazy idea, you might not understand. So to solve this idiocy, we're gonna navigate into the settings. So I'm just gonna kind of go over the kind of thing that you're looking for. So settings looks like this, obviously the gear icon, grayish. And then in here, we're gonna scroll, if I remember correctly, all the way to the bottom to the second last option, the blue gear icon right here. And our language option is the third option from the top right here. So it's going to be a two-word kind of thing, language and I'm not sure how to translate that, but it should be something like a language and region. And then at the very top, you'll have actual language and region, the first thing from the top. And select the blue text right here to add a language and find it from the list. English, which is what it was. And click right here on the right side to change it. Now I want to point out the right side to change it is only obviously if the language that you picked is going from left to right. If it's going the other way, then these options will be swapped. So there we go. Now we have the language that the device was in before we inserted a SIM card. Fantastic. There we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.